back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing today in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things we may love at home, guys. And I always come out with different kind of recipes and different kind of things. But anyway, I want to give you this recipe. This, guys, is just amazing. Anyway, it is coming up to Thanksgiving Day, and I decided to do a special roast for Thanksgiving Day. I'm gonna do a roast vegetable. All right, amazing roast vegetable. I have some. This is some sweet carrot right here. I have some sweet carrot right here. It's just a pack of broth, and you can just leave them all the same way. As you can see, all I need to do is just wash them off. I'm gonna pack straight inside of this big bowl right here. I have some. Also, I have some parsley, baby parsley. I'm gonna leave them like that. I got a biggest thing, the Jamaican Valley all-purpose season, which I'm going to be using a little bit on it also. We got sweet potato, we got red onion, we got thyme, and we got some this is some rosemary and some fresh thyme and garlic. Mad thing in the kitchen today with Chef Ricardo. Anyway, let's put my bowl right here, so you guys can see exactly what's going on inside of the bowl, because it is very important at the moment in the bowl. So this is my bowl right here. I'm just put my carrot inside of the bowl. This is some baby parsley. I'm gonna put the baby parsley straight inside of it, just like this. You don't need to cut the baby parsley. You can leave them all up. Like the bigger, I want it a bit bigger. I would just cut this one into half, just like this. But definitely, like these, you can just leave them all the same way. I got some sweet potato, which I'm going to be using. Cut the sweet potato a little bit chunky. It's better for you guys. So tomorrow is Thanksgiving Day, which is the 23rd, and I know you guys going to love this one, because I definitely said to myself, I need to do something for my fans. This is a whole of garlic. All I'm going to do is cut a garlic into half like this. Just pop it straight inside of it, just like that. This is some red onion. All they're gonna do is just cut the red onion into some chunk slices. Nice one. I got one large more potato, and remember, as I said, cut the potato chunky. That's some chunky potato right there, because when you roast, it's going to shrink. So you have to cut them really chunky. Nice and lovely. So that's it right there. Second thing, get some fresh thyme. That's the fresh thyme. This is some rosemary. Just gonna put just a little piece of a rosemary, not too much, because you know rosemary is a little bit strong, so you don't want to put too much. Alright? Give it a nice lovely marinating. Little bit of pepper. And also we're gonna put roughly a teaspoon of the Jamaican Valley season on it. Jamaican Valley season. So we're gonna put a teaspoon of the Jamaican Valley season on it. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor. Next thing, guys, I'm telling you, you have to use your favorite olive oil. It's a must. So I'm gonna be using some olive oil on it, not too much. You know what I mean? Jamaica, it's Jamaica. Get a spoon or something, and you can use it on a simple. Marinate up the vegetables and everything. Looking so lovely and nice already. This is exactly, and it's the Jamaican Valley season what's gonna make the difference on it. Then after you do that, definitely is a must. You have to put a little bit of honey for flavor. Roughly about 3 tablespoons of honey. It's looking so lovely and nice. Don't get me wrong, you can put a piece of grease-proof paper, but this is a non-stick pan. So what we're going to do, put everything in it like this. Everything. And that's going to be lovely and nice. So as you can see, all the vegetable really looks so lovely, nice, and yummy. Now, I just want to simply say to you guys, because of the honey, which is going to bring in a nice lovely flavor. So as you can see right there, lovely and nice, and you know what I mean, and it's just amazing recipe, guys. As you can see, coming up to Jamaica, you know what I mean, it's coming up to American Independence Day, and definitely we have to give the fans a nice and lovely roast vegetable like this. So enjoy the recipe, guys. We're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes in the oven, and a high temperature or a medium temperature. It all depends on the kind of oven you're using, guys, but I'm using gas mark 8 or 9 on my oven. If you're using electric oven, 175 or 180 is good for 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. Now we're going to put it in the oven, roast off your vegetable, come out lovely and tasty and nice. So enjoy. This one is for Thanksgiving Day. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically that's the roast vegetable right there, looking so lovely and nice. Just take it from the oven and it come out lovely. So as you can see, this is it right here. Really lovely and nice and yummy. So this is the roast vegetable for Thanksgiving Day recipe right here. So we know that we have to do roast vegetable on Thanksgiving Day. It's a must, and this is one of Chef Ricardo ideas to the fans them, because I have a lot of fans who do support me in America, and I love you guys. So please enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo right here. So thank you so much. I hope we can come with better in the future. So really lovely and nice, as you can see. Fantastic recipe, and it's got sweet potato, it's got parsley, and also carrot and red onion. Fresh, we got fresh thyme on it, we got the garlic, we got a lot of different stuff, guys. It's a really nice, lovely recipe. So please enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.